What is up, everybody? So today I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a bokeh background. Now I can't take 100% credit for this. I did first come across this technique from Lock Refine Art, and I'll link that video in the description. However, I do things a little bit different, so I'm just going to show you guys a quick demonstration of. So you guys are aware, here's a list of supplies I'm using. Now, one thing to note with this technique that's very important is that you want to be using transparent paint. So here's another example of a white that you want to use. Do not use titanium white. This is the best white to use. Now, when I do this technique, I like to have my painting flat, and that's because it just makes it a whole lot easier to work with. And also, when I spray it with my flow aid, it doesn't have the tendency to run down if I spray too much. Now I'm going to apply my transparent white. And I have tried this with titanium white. The only problem with titanium white is that it's so opaque that it was very hard to get that nice glowing effect with it. So here I don't go all the way to the edge of the stencil, and then I take my makeup brush and I just blend it out. The reason why I don't go to the edge is because it will spread out and we'll have these little flares at the end. Now we just repeat the same process with our transparent yellow. Also keep in mind not to apply too much pressure. I'm just slightly brushing over it with the makeup brush to give it that nice soft glow. Now at the beginning of this video I recommended doing this with transparent paints, but if you look at the picture there's some green in it. This was done with phthalo green, which is opaque, so let me show you how that works. So here with the phthalo green, same process. The only difference is I just dab a little bit of water on the phthalo green, not to pick up too much of that pigment, because like I said, it's very opaque, so you don't need too much of it. Now let's get a close-up, and as we look, it has that nice blurry off in the distance effect. Thank you for watching. Just a quick demonstration on how I do this background. Make sure to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram. Peace.